metric tons, a wingspan of 64.75 meters, and a length of 66.8 meters. The aircraft you see is known as MSN-2, one of the original 5 certification development aircraft, and the first to be equipped with a full cabin interior. The opportunity to see it at the static display area a little later on today. In a typical 3-class configuration, the A350-900 will seat 325 passengers. A longer range version of the A350-900, known as the ultra long range, is also being developed with the capability to fly up to 19 hours. Singapore Airlines have ordered this aircraft to restart Los Angeles and New York direct services to Singapore.
Oh, much more than that. You can fly directly from Singapore, for example.
The extra wide body, of course, means extra comfort for passengers and extra efficiency for the airline. Certainly the A350 XWB has all the extras that make a difference for this next generation aircraft that is already flying and available now. A longer fuselage version of the A350-1000 will typically seat 366 passengers. The first 1000 is now being assembled in Toulouse, France, and will perform its maiden flight before the end of this year. As at the end of last year, 15 A350 XWBs have been delivered to 4 airlines, and Singapore Airlines will receive its first A350 XWB in the coming few weeks.